Let's learn how to use the green screen on Capcut. If you want to know how to use the green screen on Capcut, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. First, open Capcut on your PC. Then, if you want to add this green screen to your project for editing, all you need to do is place it on your timeline right up here. Next, you need to set its duration. After that, you will see that our green screen has been added. Now, I'm going to show you how you can remove the green color from the video. Click on the timeline and go to Cutout from the top right corner. Check the box for Chroma key. The next step is to use the color picker to remove the green color. Increase the strength option and you will see the green color being removed. Then, increase the shadow option. Now, you can also resize the chroma key. Adjust it where you want. Now, play the video, and you will see it's all settled. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.